Still crying?
Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special guest. This is my very special friend Tabitha. She is also a makeup artist at the Glam Suite Beauty Co. in Augusta, Georgia. So I'll leave her stuff in the description box if you want to book an appointment. She's very good at what she does. So I decided to film her makeup look today. It was our content day, so I did her makeup. So the first thing you saw me go in with was moisturizer, La Roche-Posay Triple Barrier, I think, moisturizer. Just put that all over her face, and then right now we are going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just carving out her eyebrows. Yeah, and then once we do that, we're going to move on to the eyes using the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. I did something really simple, nothing too much today. So yeah.
I'm trying to grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and you need to fall back.
Next, I'm going in with a Milk Hydro Grip face primer. I'm going to put that all over her face. The foundations I will be using today are the NARS Longwear and Soft Matte, Tahoe in the Longwear, and Macau in the Soft Matte. Just mix those two together and apply that to her face as well.
Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie.
Visionary shit, been trying to feel pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the
Next, we're going to highlight her face using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Just going to put that under her eyes and chin and on her forehead. Then we're going to set her under eye using the Hourglass setting powder in translucent medium. I will say I like the Hourglass powder for people who have more dry under eyes. However, with this concealer, I don't think they were a good match. You could probably start it, like set one time with the Hourglass powder, but I would go back over it with a more thicker powder like the One Size setting powder or the Huda Beauty powder, because I just feel like the concealer just maybe a little bit too thick, a little bit too heavy for this powder. I feel like this powder is more like a natural lightweight powder. So yeah, I would definitely, you can use it, but I would go over with a more full coverage powder. So now we're going to go in with Juvia's Place bronzer. It's going to bronze the outside of her face, cheeks, forehead. And then we're going to go in with blush. I am using a Sephora blush that is discontinued, unfortunately. But yeah, I think they have some other ones now. And there's some other blushes out there that's just as good. Juvia's Place has good blushes as well.
With me, making pretty love to me, pretty.
Now I'm just using a brown liner to line her waterline. And then we're going to use like a brown shadow to smoke it out a little bit. I have been leaning more towards brown liners in the waterline. I still use black, it just more so depends on the look we're going for. But yeah, just a brown liner, some brown shadows, smoke it out a little bit. And then we're going to move on to the brows. I am using a Morphe brow pencil. And she has very big, pretty eyebrows, so you don't have to do too much. So we're just gonna, you know, fill in a little bit, and yeah.
I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not in the house anymore.
So now we finished with her brows. I set her face with the Morphe setting spray as well as the One Size. She did her lip and put on some lash clusters. So yeah, that is the finished look. Pretty as always. So if you're ever in Augusta and you need your makeup done, or we travel, you come see us or contact us. Our information will be in the description box, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.